All right, so today you're going to be solving quadratic equations with the quadratic formula in Khan Academy. So this is the same thing that we did on page 9 and 10, I believe, in your packet. So to start, remember this needs to be set up with everything on the left and equal to 0. So that means we need to put 7x squared on the opposite side, and the opposite of positive 7x squared is negative 7x squared. So to move this to the opposite side, I make it the opposite sign. Then I have plus 7x and plus 9, and all of this is equal to 0. Okay, so what I did was I moved this 7x over here, dropped the wall, minus 7x from both sides, 7x squared, excuse me, and then I just rearranged these. That way it was in A, B, C order. Remember, your formula is ax squared plus bx plus c. So now we just need to fill everything in. So A is negative 7. B is positive 7. And C is 9. Okay, so my formula again is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. And all of this is over 2a. So negative b is the opposite of 7, so that is negative 7. Then I have plus or minus b squared, which is 7 squared, minus 4ac. And I am probably going to stop this video and move this over so that y'all can read everything. Okay, so again, opposite of 7 was negative 7, then we have plus or minus the square root of b, which was 7, and then square it, minus 4. My a is negative 7. So again, be careful with signs. And then my c is 9. And this is all divided by 2 times a, which is negative 7. Okay, so from here, notice you don't have to simplify all the way. You do have to get those 3 parts set up correctly. So we know that negative 7 needs to be the first number. So honestly, looking at this, it's probably just going to be this answer choice here. So we have negative 7 plus or minus the discriminant, which I'll put in the calculator in a moment, and then we have negative 14 underneath. Okay, so I did get 301, so I'm going to go through and just put 301 here. Okay, so I'm pretty confident that that last answer choice is it. If none of these simplified, remember you can always check menu 61 in your calculator, but the biggest thing that I see y'all messing up on with this is right here. You've got to start your equation out correctly, otherwise your ABCs will be wrong and then everything else will be wrong. So just be sure that you're setting up the equation right initially, and if I'm nearby, feel free to make sure or ask me and I'll let you know if you're right. Okay, so good luck. Let me know if you need anything.